Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's cook today paneer butter masala. I know when I was in college or basically after my engineering, I was working in Bangalore, and that time actually I was checking with my friends. I need to wait for them. Then I decided why should not I learn the cooking and I will cook my food. I don't have to wait for anyone. So this particular dish is for those bachelors who wants to cook quick. Just now, let's make it. For this recipe, you need paneer, turmeric powder, bay leaves and red chili powder, coriander, ginger, red chilies, amchur powder, jeera, coriander leaves, red chili powder, tomato. Let's cut the paneer. You can cut them into the cubes. Now take a pan and fry the paneer. Now add some butter to the pan. Adding the coriander, red chili and jeera paste. Now adding the ginger paste. Now adding the tomato puree. Now add all powdered spices. Here I have added some cashew nut puree, so you can see that. After then I have added some milk, and that's it. You are pretty much good to go now, and the food is almost ready. And you can add some garam masala, and after then you can go ahead and add some kasuri methi for the taste, and then just put paneer into it, and you can see our paste is almost ready. And you're all set now. So now if you see, now I'm going to plate it, and it's the best time to plate it right now. So now go ahead and plate it. Wow, it looks so awesome. I think you should try it. And if you like this video, just like and subscribe. Now we have finished our paneer butter masala. Let's taste it how it is. You can have it with steamed rice or chapati, but I like to have it in steamed rice, and you can have it here. Let me take it. It's rice is very very hot. So good. You must try it. It is so good. Let me take a bite of paneer as well. Oh, sorry. It's slipping from my hand. Anyways. Perfectly cooked. Perfectly cooked. You should try it at least once. It is very good, and it is very good for the bachelors, and it is really yummy. Paneer butter masala. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you.